Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix you can't make this change at the moment on Facebook. So when you guys come encounter with this specific problem over on your Facebook application, what you guys could actually do is to firstly check your internet connection with your Wi-Fi. Now, one of the reasons, which is as to why this is happening on your device, is your internet connection is unstable. So if that is the case, you could also go ahead and try to contact your internet service provider, or you could also try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. Now, one more thing that we could also do to solve this problem is to make sure that we are using the latest version of Facebook. So to do so, just go ahead and just do a quick search on the App Store for the Facebook application and then actually see if this is updated to the latest version. Now, if in the case that another problem has arisen, or even though you have already updated your application, the problem is still persisting, you might want to check if the website or if the Facebook application is currently down. So to do so, you could also go ahead and do a quick search of, is it down or is it just me? So, is it down or just me is a website that you could go ahead and check. For a specific website, all we need to do is just enter the domain right here, and let's go ahead and just enter facebook.com and tap on check status. It's automatically going to check the status for us and also see if the facebook.com website or the whole server is down, which is why it's giving us this problem. Now, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.